Malalau malia ho eiki melele e tonga hano kotoa. Whiawhia kei talitale leiki mo tonu ki ho mo uniongo mai le tio ka umawhaka televisioni tonga kihe houani. Pakai koe kihe ngahi ulu iongo. Whainga malia le leipe whanau ako tonga o knaurolo tonga ako I Fiji mei he Cyclone whatalo piki class tolu ko vai anō. Whaake ake le leipe whare mahaki vai o lai whiwhinita o wafulu maa tolu hiriangi whatutama ki halapure anga I wha o singa o I wike. Pea ta I maalia e ka inga Papua Kini I hapolo kalama tokoni ai kautaha tonga I loa koe Twinies. E te ia epe me ngā hitala noa ke anaiange whataha me wakai ke whamimitaha me he mala e oisipoti ka uma afu ke whamatala e aka pe wakai lewa eni ki he whakai ki. O ko whakaake ake le leipe I he whalemaha ki vaiola ai whiwhinita ua fulmaa tolu mini tō ua hiliang he whatutama ki ne hoko I he halapuri anga I he wha o singa o wike. Ko o spoke mo whakaila he kau polisi e matapule tau ni mga fulmaa taha me maufanga ki he whakaulita e tokanga o hoko ai I love ea. Whai ki ke tala noa ko ian ki hauani pia mo pia oli e.
I he whamatala ko Tongatapu rea ngahi aptanga polisi Tongatapu hala toa tau whaki hongonga re tio tonga I pongpongini na e hoko eni matunga mi he si whaha mea lere ne whanonga I hala pai pāsi pahu. O ne tui ia e maketi whewhie I he tawhaaki ne rotonga whai ai whamaketi koe ni.
Mea lere na e fōu whahake I he hala pai pāsi. Eko e ria nkoe ofian pehe whataonga whewhie pehe I pahu awa he awa tuan ke tau mua fufoanga. I he lere antu mea lere koe ni bea nei. Hoko ai si wha mea lere koe ni o ne. O hoko ai whatu tāmaki koe ni o la vea ai tō taha kau whiwhine ta ua tolu me ni tō ua. Nā kau he kau wha maketi koe ni he eria koe ni. Pea nai puke he kau polisi e tō taha koe ni o tau wha ilo ke hia kau whautai tōkanga hoko ai me la vea. Pea kai ke ngata ai kana e la fo o to e whaako pa mo whailo ki ai ko ne whawhisi ko ki e sivi ko ki e o ka horo. Maino na e maua mo si no I he o ka horo I he taimi ko na hoko e extend ko ni he.
Tēne toki hā he whamauanga a muiange. Kai no tonga ni na es malawa poke mo whakaelo e matapole tau ni mga fulmaono me whanga nofo ausleria ki ene tui I pia hola a tangata eiki tau onongo folo me mataika ne malo lohen tusi te kua o si me whatu tā maki ai pe I hala pure anga.
Pam ke tapo upeki he kakai whonua. Ai mawinga ko ke whamamao pito me he whaurilo tonga o ke mauka malo. Kono uhinga he ku mahino me ngahi whatamaki o koko he halapure anga. Tātau te whito ni ngā mauka malo hi. O kune whatupunga ai ngahi eksiteni pakai ke ngā taika ku lava o hoko ngahi lavea lala. Tau uswa monbeki ai hoko ai pia mo pekia. I halapure anga. Toi whamana tupu ke kai whonua ka uke mauka malo, I whamama o pito me whauri. Uke a toka lahe putu ngā ueke whawapau I oku malu pia hao e whewhonoa aki, I halapure anga. Pe mau peke tau whepopo aki I he tafa aki koe ni. Ke ui koe malu koe ai kakai whonua I he halapure anga. Ta tau pepe uku whauri. O whanonga alulalo. E hoko ka toa pia ko toko ni ki e whapapau I malu koe pa me hawa kakai.
Nā toki malu I atu ki tō aneafi, ke ne toki hā I whamauanga a muiange.
O ku lolotonga ahi atu e Cyclone whatalo piki class tolu ko vai anō a Fiji I he lolotonga ni. Ko hiria e hiki haki ene malohi me he kalasi wā ki he kalasi tolu. O mahina lipo ti me ngahi ata kua tuku hake me ngahi kautaha mitia o Fiji, ai tāwhia lahi ai ngahi kolo I he tawhakwahi hifo, o iko ai ke ikai ke te malawa ha whewhanunga aki me ahlele. O mahino ko lolotonga ni ko Oskanseli ngahi whewhalau akbakapuna e ni ihi. Kai ke he lipo te hanga tonu mai ai whea ngō ngai whaleni ai a aku ne lolotonga I suwa fisi vai whanua tō Paula nane pehe. Ko i lolotongani o i kai ke fuesia a suwa aia o ku tolahitahai e whanau ako Tonga o kuna wako i he University Pacific Tonga pea pehe foki ke University of Fiji. Malo pito vai whanua.
I he lolotongani foki i soa fisi o lolotonga au fia pea uho uha pea haviri lahi foki o whatatau pe eni ke he tuunga o giai e whanua pe mi he Cyclone whatalupiki ka stolu ko eni a ko vai anu. I he tūko ia o giai e whanau ako Tonga a kumau tolu ko ia o lolotonga i soa fisi ni o kumau hao pe i he lolotongani o whatatau eni ke he tuunga o giai a suva. I he mahino koe Cyclone whatalupiki koe ni o kumeimei ke ne wesia pe e ia ai tawhaaki whaka toke lau hihifo ko ia o e whonuani o ikai ke mau fuwesia whewhea e mau tolu koe ni suvani tu kehe ange ai ngahi e lia ko ia o ku mama o atu pe mi suvani o ku ilonga lahi ai wesia koe ni o e Cyclone koe ni. Kai ke he neongo kai ke mau uesia whakapatonu i he lolotongani pe me he Cyclone whatalupiki koe ni. Ka o ku hape i heni a hiku hiku koe ni o e Cyclone. I he mahino o pito e uhalahi koe mana mana. Kai pe he foki ki he tāwhea i he ngahi wheitu e ni ihi. Ka o ku tau te whito pēni ki he ngahi e lia tawhaki ko ia o suva. Ka koe tawhaaki ko ia o ku nofutokalai taha i e whanau wako Tonga i suwa fisini o mau i loto suwa foki i ofi au pito i he loto kolo. Whatatau pēni ke tu anga ko ia e ongo apia ko wako tokalai taha i e whanau wako Tonga aia ko FNU pe koe University whawhanua ko ia Fiji, kai pe he foki ki he University ko ia e Pacific Tonga pe ko USB. O ku mahino ku ikai ke whakahoko haako i he lolotongani ko toa e ngahi ako anga ko ia o Fiji ni, tau te whito eni ki he ako lautohi, kai pe he foki ki he ako korisi, o whatatau ke tutu uniko whahopa me he pule anga, pa me he potngau e ako a neafi ki hono kanseli o e ako o tali whanongonongo i he wikeni, kai o walewa ko mahina e tu unga koe ne o piai a Cyclone whatalupiki koe ni. O ku kau foki heni pea mo e University whawhanua ko ia a Fiji mo e ngahi University kehe, tu kehe ange USB. Aia ko e whanau ako Tonga ko ia nau i he FNU pa mo e ngahi University ma kehe ange pea me i he USB o ikai ke whakahokana wako i he ahoni kai malo lope i honau taktaha no foanga o tari whanongonongo ki e tu unga ko ni e au ki ai Cyclone whatalupiki ko ni. Mahino pe ko e FNU na e lolotonga tutuku e na wako i he wike ko osi pea ne amanaki ke na ufotu i he ahoni ka ko e uhi ko e kanseli ko ni ai ako matu unga pe me Cyclone whatalupiki o kutoi hoko atu pe ai malolo i api pa mohona ngahi taktaha no foanga ai whana wako Tonga. Ko e ni ihi ko ia e whana wako Tonga o mau kawatu ki he USB, University Pacific Tonga. Wa ako e ni i lautala ni o mau lolo Tonga ako pe i he ahoni neongo ai haviri maalohi kai pe he ke he tuunga o kuiai ai ea kai pe he foki ki he mahino o ku kamata ke hamai ai ngahi nunu ako ia o e uhalahi he ngahi whitu e ni ihi ka o ku lolotonga ako pe ak mautolu ko e ni i he USB lautala. Tuku kehe ange ai ngahi aptanga kehe ai USB i Fiji ni a lautoka kai pe he foki ki nenti ko kanseli ai ako ia i he ongo aptanga ko e ni ka ko e aptanga lautala o ku hokat pe ako i he ahoni o whatatau pe eni ki he tutu uni ai kautaki ko ia university o whatatau ki tuunga ne iai ane afi ka o kuiai pe ai wakai ki he tuunga ko eni o kuiai i he ahoni mahalo pe iai hato e tutu uni o ku to e whaputpoto ange i he nea o ko ia ki a pongpongi o whatatau ki he tuunga ko eni o kuiai ai whanau ako. Pe aku mahino o pito pepe me loto apiako i he ahoni ai Ikai ke futokolahi ai ngahi matakali koia I Fiji ni. Tau te whito eni ki he kau Fiji, kai pe foki ki he kau Indo-Fijian. Ai ikai ke nau mauako I he ahoni koe uhi koe nau whanonga mai pe me ngahi a tafaaki a kehe o suvani ke nau lava mai ki he a koka ihi koe ikai malava ma tuunga pe me tuunga koe ai ai ngahi tā whea iki koe ia I he ngahi wheituu. Ofi ko ia I suva. O me ko mautol pe ni ai whanau wako, kau whanau wako Tonga, mau tokolahi I he ako, I he ahoni, o mahino pe o mau sai pe I he tūko ia I he lolotonga ni, o ikai ke fu iai haue sia fe, I he ne tūko ia I he lolotonga ni.
Ko vai whanua tū Paula ia, whai o ngongai whaleni o kune lolotonga whakangotama ke University of Pacific Tonga, wa I Fiji, I he ene tōko mai e libo te hanga tonu whekau ake me tuunga o ke whānau wako Tonga I Fiji. Kai ke mahino o kulolotonga ahia ato e Cyclone whatalo piki kalasi tolu ko maila I he waha o tu motu Solomonepu o Papua New Guinea o ia o ko kamata e wesia ai o ngofunua ko ni I he Cyclone whatalo piki kalasi tolu ko ia ko maila. Pea koe huelo o kutoi hāmai ai amanaki lelei ai hulo atu ai mama ka koe tokoni ai kautaha pulusi tohi twinis ki he kāinga Papua New Guinea tau te whito ki ngai whamili wito o ai o I kai au pea o atu ki ai hanau mauanga uhila. Ko hilene au tonu te tanga whikaulahi a tongani ki Australia Cruises tui halangi nge whakataha metalei ki ta pule kautaha pulusi tohi koe twinis ki Papua New Guinea he wike ko osi o whaake te ngahi toni pe koe tokoni mama sola ma ai ngahi apina fuanga I ka wito o I kai ke nau whenga maali e ki he uhi la. Pia ori e pe, mai whai ki e tala noko ia ki hawani.
I ono whakai ke eke o tare ki ta pōre kau taha Twinis, ana tui o nuku nane pehe, koe konga uruaki pe eni o nau tokoni mai kau witou, aia ko tongani pe nai tomu a whakahoko ki ai tokoni tatau, hoko ki ai a Fiji, pe koeni ko nau toia o atu ki Papua New Guinea. Nai o si ai pia tokoni tatau ma Papua New Guinea he tau ko o si hano whotu e prokalama tokoni koe ni o iloa koe kuki I mama pe I he le whapitania koe This Little Light of Mine.
Koe whakatamua ke o atu mama ki he ngarato whanako ni pawito koe ki ha mama. Ke taranga atu koe ki whi wito e tahana maudale atu pe au whai ke eke atu nera ke ki pineki. Nei whiri mai pēr ngahi whāmiri ia he ki kurupu koni ke wapu ko Roy Women's Development Association ai Patalonia e wa First Lady. A lady tofi tatai koe whewhine tonga e. Koe Hawaii Governor General, she's the First Lady. Pe nau whiri mai pe whamiri hongo fuluka nā patarangi pe ko whakaampe ke nau nofo tāwhataha pe ke ngai ape ka wito whewhine whakato me wito I tangata. Pe ko raki whewhine ne whawhilofa ke au pau eke ngewe ke ai oku loko whiha ho whale. Pani tana mai loki wa eke o toko whiha o whamiri uno whai ta mai ko toko taha tōru. Pau eke angi. Ko haro loa ho tae mama. Ta mai ko tau e taha nima. Pe ke whakafuafua ngia ki ai ni ka pau ko e futau e taha nima. Ai nofo e whakapo uri, ko pau ko whanau mu whakamopu nau ki nofo he whakapo uri o waka ki tau e hake hoa e ua kun te nau tai whi maari e lahe au pito. Pea whakatu otu at le vai au ki he maho inga o haki I mama, paki whakapopua ka pau ka loki o ku whakapo uri ka koe kako. Nā mo haki te lango ka ulo e te lango no e lo e a uia o ka whasia ai ki tūliki ko toa pe. Koe whakau kawe ai polokalama koe ni ke whaka o e mama ki ngai whitu o koe ki au kai mama. Tau te whitu ke ngai api ngai roto whare o ku mama o pita off-grid me he grid. Pia whakalahi ai e mama, pako raki mama pe nei koreangi ke First Lady ka mai te whakaulahi ke na whaki e. Pea tēnga ne whaki ai ko he First Lady mo e tarakaulahi ne e lo imata ia ki wito koe ni e koe taulahi e si ene nofo I whakapori. Ai ko ki whai mama e tōru lava charger nau ki mobile phone. Pea ka pao te nau tau hene lei ai battery pe mo ki sola e whakamamangiang nau tōla whai taha ke tau tōru nei whai pina whahino hino ka tēnga tō wanga no whakatuku.
Ko hono tū whātua e mama koe ni, ne whahoko whakataha pe ia, me prokalama ngā ue a ofisi talwhikaulahi a Tongani I Kenpela. Mai kāinga Tonga I Papua New Guinea, ai e whokina e tāi mua e talwhikaulahi a Tonga ki Australia, Curtis Tuihalangi ngie. Ka kehe koe whaamu ai kautahan Twinis, mo nā prokalama ngā ue tokoni koe ni, ke hoko ngāhi mama sola koe ni, ke ne langa haki ai e mo ui ngāhi whamirini, Tare fito ki ono whakalakalaka mo whakaivia e whinga ako e nau whanau, tokoni ki he whamiri mo hangahi whinga whakabisinisi, ki nau lawa peo mo ui, mo langa hake ai e nau mo ui. Mahino peko i tahai na ngahi tokoni kua whakahoko e tare kita in 20s, ana tu e nuku pe mo ene kau ngā ue, ma tu ungai, hono unuhia ke ne hoko ko e fofua whiwhine me e pasu ki, ke ne mau e pare whalang makehe a New South Wales ko e Local Woman of the Year Award. Mai ngonga le tio mo television tonga ko Pia Olie.
Uni o ngonga whalotu whanua ki Hawan, te tawakale wahin ke whamimita mehem la e o sipoti pia mo Pia Olie pe.
Malama tau ki whilonga ki koe wakai e ni ki he mala e o e sipoti. O toi bebu ke taha pe whakawai whiau sipoti a te rita hano, hiwa ngā furu maa hiwa ngā hi korisi, whakoe pāke te uwhaiwaha, amana ke tuka kato ki a whalai te taha whitu. Kono whawa pau ien me toon sea komin sipoti ngā hi korisi Tongatapu, seo tame o ngoloka ki a ngonga le tio mo television to ngā he pongpongini. Nā ne whakamahino whoki ai e ngoloka, au koe e timi me i he whoi o ne mo funga whanua te nau wholau mai he wikeni ki he whiau hi tuku ke heange ai lolo a halai walu.
Ke to gen ke fa ha ko to no hi wa ni ta ni me a ko ka ko mo nga hi ko ko to gen nga hi o tu mo tu o ku fa ha ko mai pe o ha fa I da mo e wo ala ko ko va ko wa una mai no be ke ha u na ko ti ta un ma tu nga pe na ko tai ni ko na ko tu wa ki na ko ti ta ni ko na to kamata na to ko spe na si ko ti no para rau que mau quasi boca que mais tudo isso aí que osia o no que fai no mai que a o fitu bahindo le vai que te lava mai a baba te falta mo no ikaitari que kau mai ha fa na si kosi ni baba que te fa hu mai hanga na tia fitu man
Nāne e toi pehe whoke o kuia e ngahi whie mau nei o atu me komiti, ka o ku mahino, ne toka kato pe whoke spoti a vai whanua wawa uhe wike kua osi, pia I kai he taimi le rei, e teu ei ha timi ke nau whalau mai ki Tongatapuni.
Matunga pe, tunga hai te wasi ai ngā oi kwa te po, kwa ta me kau pārangi, no ko mani tau, ko mga tunga li pia na kai si o komiti, ke whatatase te pia wawa ui he tau ua te kāta nau whanau sipoti. Kupe ka pa mea whanau ia na nau tō me na toria ki mua, o le sisite a tā tōru na ia koi tonga nipe nau sipoti, ki nau kau na tōru na isau. Ko whanau na nau kau ke te au hia wawa o he tau ni, ta eke nau te o mai sipoti tongani, ki pai tutu ne komiti, ke sari ki nau tō ke nau hui mai matuma, ko tutu ne pipo o kato ne nau komiti.
Kai ke kua whapapau me he komiti sipoti e whalau mai pia hapai mo ewa he wikeni, te tua te pepe mga he timi o Tongatapu ki he whiau hi sipoti ko ia Tonga mo ui lelei wanoa wano, pe Tonga Health Secondary School Athletes wanoa wano. Ko e sipoti pia.
Koe wakalewa e niki he tuunga o e a, tuku mai me senta whamatara e a tonga I whaamoto, mo e potu ngau I Maydag.
Malo e lau maare ho iki pa mulelei e tonga kotoa, tai rei piki mo tolu ki e tau whamatara ea, mo e wakai ki e tuunga ko ia o Cyclone e whatalo piki mālohi koe ko vai anu ka lasi tolu. Ta wakai ki e ngahi talanoa lalahi ko e tau whamatara ea ki e hao ni, ta wakai he ni ki e Cyclone e whatalo piki mālohi koe ko vai anu ka lasi tolu, ki hono tunga lolo tonga, ki hono halafono ngā, pa pefoki ke ngahi nau e omi e Cyclone e whakatalo piki koe ni. E omi foki he Cyclone ko ni ha au fia, au ho uha tū moto, malawa ke lololahi a ngahi taimi. Pefoki ki ha mana ki he ngahi vai whanua e otu tonga. Pea pefoki ki ha wiri mālohi whatu mau, pea waki mālohi whatu mau. Tau te whito pe ke po tai whatonga, Tongatapu pa mo eua, teriki tonga, pea mo teriki toke lau. Kata wakai ki he imisi satellite pa mo e tūnga lolo tonga ko ia oku iai, ai Cyclone whakatalo piko ni hange pe o hātu ko ia I he imisate laite ko hono uho ngā o kune lotonga toka ia ki he whakahihifo ko ofisi. Uho ngā o Cyclone whakatalo piki ko ni ko vai anu o kune toka ia ki he whakahihifo ko ofisi pe koe lati tu te ia e taha fitu poini hiva whakatonga longi tu te ia e taha fitu poini walu whakahake. Pe koe kilomita ia e tolungi au walu nima pe misi wafisi. Mama o koe ua honga cyclone whatalopiko ni pe me Fiji kilomita e tolunge au walu nima. Pe koe kilomita ia e tahafe te au whanima pe me eua, pe koe kilomita e tahafe te au tahanima pe me Nuku'alofa Tongatapu. Koe mama o ia e ua honga cyclone pe me Tongatapu pe mo eua. Mahino peu kei mama o cyclone whatalopiko ni pe me ho tau ngahi wahe whonua. Ka koe hiku o cyclone whatalopiki koe ni kune whakaofi fo ia ke potu tahi ko ia o teriki Tonga pea mo teriki Tokilau. Koe wawe ngā aki he cyclone koe ni, pe kune ngā unu aki, o kune ngā unu whakahake aki ai noti e walu, pe koe kilomita ia e tahaono i he hoa ponto aike mahino ange, koe kilomita ia e te au tahaono, lere tahaono ia ho mea lere pe koe salete misi ni, koe wawe ia o ngā aki e cyclone whatalopiki koe ni, kene ngā unu whakatonga hake aki. Pea koe haviri, o wofi kono uhonga, koe malohi koe haviri, Malohi e haviri o wofi e uhonga o cyclone whatalopiki koe ni, o kua uki he maire tahi, e walu noa pe koe kilomita ia e te au noa i he hoa. Ai koe lere te au noa ia ho mea lere, koe vave ia pe koe malohi ia o e haviri koe wofi i he uhonga o cyclone whatalopiki koe ni. Whakafofua ke ngā unu whakatonga hake pe cyclone whatalopiki koe ni, i hoa ta haua, hoa whaavalu ko ia ka hoko mai. Ka koe whakaike koe tau ngahi wahe whanua i he aho ni, ha mahina pene lahi ki alomari e pe, ko tau ngahi wahe whanua i aho ni tuke he angi, ha au whia i ha ngahi taimi ha ngahi whitu, pene malawa ki aimo ngahi uha tu moto, ma api ha ngahi whitu e nihi ka nei lahi ki alomari e pe, e ngahi wahe whanua koe o tu tonga i he aho ni. Koe angare vaina e wakai koe ki he hala whanonga koe ia o cyclone whatalopiki malohi koe ni kalastolu ko vai anu, i he hoa e tahaua, hoa ua whaawalo whitu ua ko ia ka hoko mai. Hange pe kona tau wakai kei o glotonga toka ki he whakahifo ko ia o Fiji, pau whafufua kene ngā unu whakatonga hake ai pe. Ngā unu whakatonga hake pe aki e malohi tatau koe kalastolu, pe au whakafufua koe hoa e tahaua ke whaawalo koe ka hoko mai, e huu maho no uho honga ki ho tau potahi, pe koe potu tahi o teriki Tonga pe mo teriki Tokilau, aki e malohi tatau pe au kumalawa ke holo hono malohi i hene huu mai ko ia ki ho tau potu tahi. Hua e tahaua, hua e whaavalu ko ia ka hoko mai. Ka mu whatoka ngange ngahi wahe whanua koe ke whatoke lau gongo niwa pe whuki wawau pe moha pai. Si au pito ha whainga maari ke uesia he cyclone whatalopiki koe ni ai ngahi wahe whanua koe. Ake haviri maloi whatuma mau. Si au pito ha whainga maari ke uesia ai ongo niwa wawau pe moha pai i he haviri maloi whatuma mau pe me cyclone whatalopiki ni tuke ai uha ai omi e cyclone whatalopiko ni malawa ke wesia e ongo niwa pe whoki wawa uha pai Tongatapu pea mo eua. Ka koe anga e wakai ke hala whanonga ko ia o cyclone kon ko vai anu. Pe hene pehe kumatunga hono tuku atu ia e ngahi whatokanga koe ni, hoko at pe hono tuku atu ai whatokanga haviri malohi whatu mau pe whoki ke he pea ua ke malohi whatu mau. Tau te whito pen ki teriki Tonga pea mo teriki Tokilau, i ka ingata ai uai whatokanga hako o tuku atu ki Tongatapu pea mo eua. Whatongangi, koe whatokanga ni e malawa koe toi tuku hake, tau te whito eni ki Tongatapu pea mo eua, i he hoa e tahaua ko ia ka hoko mai. I ka ingata ai o ku whae pe mohono tuku atu ai whare i koe ke ngai whakaiki, ke tokanga he o ki tahi, pe eua e whaha o ki tahi, ke ngai pot tahi koe o Tongatapu eua, pe whoki ki teriki Tonga, pea mo teriki Tokilau. Ka koe whakaere bain ke aho koe nima ka hoko mai, aho ene nima koe ka hoko mai e tau wakai koe pea me he Pasifiki, cyclone whatalopiki e ko vai anu, e whakaau peke ne ngā unu whakatonga hake i whoke ne mama o pea me ho tau potahi, whafufua ki konga loto ia o e weekend pe tene ngā unu whakatonga hake pe o mama o ki he whakatonga. Pe tene omi ha uha ke tofu hia e o tu Tonga i he taunga unat koe ki he whakaosinga ko ia o e weekend. Ka koe whamtalayan pa me he poni o au ki he pongpong ko ia a pongi, mahino pe e lahi peke alomari ka he taimi tatau e au whia e langi e ngahi taimi pe malawa ki aha ngahi uha tu moto ki he ngahi wahe whanua koe o tu Tonga i he ahoni. Koe maulalo tahane fua mawhanake poni e au ke maulalo koe tigri e ua tolu ki Tongatapu mo e ua wha ki wawa ua nima ki apai pe a ua ono ki he ongo ni ua. Koe malohi koe haviri, tu ngalolo Tonga, malohi haviri o pe mihe hahake pa pe fuk pe mihe Tokilau hake mare tahe tahanima ki he ua noa. Ki he kotoa e o Tonga pa malawa au ki he mare tahi e ua nima hiki hake tau te whiton ki Tongatapu pe a mo e ua. Koe whamtalaya koe pa mi a pongi, whamtalaya koe ki a pongi, mei e na tula tatau pe e lahi peke au whia e ngai taimi pe malawa ke ai pe moa ngahi uha tu moto malafu ke lolo lahi i ha ngahi taimi tau te whito ki he tua po ia a pongi. Mawhana tahane fua mawhana Ia o ke maalunga koe tikiri e ua hiva ki Tongatapu mo e ua tolu noa ki vavau pea mo haapai pea o tolu taha ki he ongo ni wā. Pea koe taimi koe o tahi tau maari e tahi i he toi kuata koe ke taha wā. I he toa pō e pōni pea mahatoka ia e toi ua noa koe ki he ono i he nghengi a pongi pongi. Koe la a pea mo e mahina, hopo e la a i he toi ua koe ke fitu he pongpongi a pongpongi, pea hopo e mahina toi hongo fulu koe ia ke hongo fulu i he pōni. Whaasio pe whamtalai aho nima koe ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa ka matai pea mihe toa prelulu o au ki he mo nite ko ia o e wike kaha u, mahino pe toa prelulu e lahi ki au fia, malawa ke uha lolo lahi a ngahi taimi ki Nuku'alofa pea whaau pe ke holo te uha ke whalaite, lahi alomari e tokona ki o au ki he kamatang koe wike kaha u, ka malawa ke hatu moto ki he sāpate ia o wike ni. Fua ma whanapu koe maalunga taha e nofo ke tikiri e wahiva ki he tau noa, pea koe taungatanga pe ki whawhini, malo o pito mo mea mai, ka mo mea.
Koe whamumi taha pē whamatala ea ki hau wani kā ki mo a pia tau māwai, tato e wakai peheni ki ngai ulu i o ngongo. Whainga maari e lelei pē whānau ako Tonga, o kuna rolo Tonga ako i Fiji, mei he Cyclone whatalo piki class tolu ko vai anō. Whaagea ke lelei pē whare maha ki vai o lai, whinita o ua maa tolu, hiri ange whatu tāma ki halapure anga i wha o singa o i wike. Pea ata i maali e ka inga Papua New Guinea i hapolo kalama tokoni ai kautaha Tonga i loa koe Twinies. Pea mo i kakate pe mo uni o ngongo i hele a whakatonga mo i le tio ka umawhika televisione Tonga ki he hauani. Mo i e whaka amunea o tono atu ki he lota whale o i Tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau keiwhi au mai, ko asinoli tatu i vai ka mōmea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for this Tuesday evening, April 7th. Today's top stories: police make arrests in relation to 2 separate road incidents last week. Tongan students safe as Category 3 tropical cyclone Vaianu affects Fiji, and Twinies brand hand over assistance to families in Papua New Guinea under their This Little Light of Mine project. We'll have these stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. Police have made arrests in 2 separate road incidents last week, with the victim in one incident recovering in hospital, while the other died from severe injuries in a hit-and-run incident.
A 23-year-old female from Nuku'alofa is currently recovering at Viola Hospital after being injured in a road accident over the weekend. Police have arrested and charged a 51-year-old man from Mauwhanga with careless driving causing injury in relation to this incident. According to the commander of Tongatapu's police stations, Tongataufa, the incident happened as the vehicle the 51-year-old man was driving swerved off the Alaivahamamao bypass road in Pahu and struck the victim, who was by the road at her roadside market stall. The driver was immediately arrested and charged. He was also charged for refusing to undergo a breath alcohol test, leading police to believe he was under the influence of alcohol while driving. He is expected to appear in court at a later date. Meanwhile, police have also arrested a 56-year-old man from Whanga in relation to a fatal hit-and-run incident where a 60-year-old man from Mataika died last Tuesday from severe injuries sustained in a road accident. He has been charged with careless driving causing death, as well as failing to report the accident and failing to stop and assist. He was granted bail yesterday and will appear in court at a later date.
Fiji is currently being affected by a tropical cyclone Vaianu, which has recently intensified from a Category 2 system to Category 3. Reports and images out of Fiji show severe flooding in western parts of the country, making road travel impossible in some areas, with flights also being cancelled. Radio and Television Tonga reporter Nuku'alofa Paula provided an update from the Tongan community in Fiji.
Radio and Television Tonga reporter Nuku'alofa Paula, who is currently in Suva, Fiji, reports that the capital has not been heavily impacted at this time. Suva is home to the University of the South Pacific and University of Fiji, where many Tongan students are studying. According to Tupola, at present, All Tongan students in Suva are safe and have been warned to stay safe and look out for one another during this tropical cyclone. All flights in and out of Fiji have also been cancelled due to the weather. A tropical cyclone alert has already been issued this afternoon by the Tonga Meteorological Services for Tongatapu, Ewa Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau. For now, only coastal and marine areas are expected to be affected by tropical cyclone Vaiano. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Sanolita Tuivai.
And the 20s brand joined the acting Tongan High Commissioner to Australia, Curtis Tuihalangingie, in his official visit to Papua New Guinea, where 20s also marked the handover of assistance to families of widows in Papua New Guinea under their This Little Light of Mine project.
This is not the first time the Twinies project has supported Papua New Guinea. Similar assistance was provided in 2025, although it only reached 5 families at a time. This latest phase of the project is providing solar lights to 10 widowed families in Papua New Guinea, both female and male-headed households, especially those without access to electricity. The distribution of assistance was attended by the wife of Papua New Guinea's Governor-General, Lady Emeline Tofitetai, who is also of Tongan descent and serves as patron of Vapukori Women's Development Association. The association worked together with Twinies to identify the 10 families most in need of support. And Tonga's acting High Commissioner to Australia, Curtis Tuihalangingie, who also present at the program as part of his official visit to Papua New Guinea, which included community consultations with the Tongan community living there. The director of Twinies, Ana Tuanuku, says their mission is to extend light to those living in darkness so they can experience its benefits, especially in supporting students with their studies at night and meeting essential household needs.
Well, happy for us to tag along in their official mission to PNG in their community consultation with the Tongans residing in PNG. And with that, we did tag along and we decided to do the second phase of the Twinies This Little Light of Mine to PNG while they were there. And so we reached out to the Vapakuroi Women's Development Association. The patron of that association is the First Lady Tufuitadai, who's a Tongan, and the wife of the Governor-General. When we were there, I asked one of the ladies who was the recipient chosen, how many rooms do you have? And she said 2. I asked her how many people live in her family, and she said 13. And so I asked her how long had they been without lights, and she said they've been without lights for at least 15 years. And can you imagine what it would be like for you to live in darkness for that long? If it was my grandchildren and children, they would be so discontent, even if it's 2 hours without light. And so we asked the High Commissioner and the First Lady to give the first light. And when she received it, she was in tears. And we also explained to them how to install the lights. And if it is well kept, it will give them lighting for at least 1 to 2 years.
Similar assistance have previously been delivered in Tonga and Fiji. A second phase of the project is planned, which will also support schools with their daily needs, like waters and others. Twinies is expected to return to Tonga later this year to assist a school of Matamaka, Wava'o.
That's your local news for tonight. After this break, we'll join Pia Odia for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The Tonga Health Secondary Schools Athletics Competition has been confirmed to take place within a week from now. The event will take place from April 14th to the 17th at Teufaiva Park. Vice Chairman of the Sports Committee, Sadame Ongoloka, confirmed the details this morning and said that this year marks the 99th edition of the annual competition. Teams from Hawaii and Ewa have confirmed their participation and are expected to arrive later this week. However, Vava'u will not take part in this year's event. Ongoloka says school principals agreed that students from Vava'u will not be able to compete due to limited recovery time after their recent competitions. He adds that registration deadlines have already passed, making it difficult to include athletes from Vava'u schools. Meanwhile, schools in Tongatapu are continuing their preparations ahead of next week's competition. The 4-day event is expected to extract strong participation from across the country. And that's sports news.
That was sports news with Bia Olia. Now taking a look at the latest weather update from the Fo'omotu Weather Forecasting Centre.
Hello again and good evening. Welcome to your evening forecast and also an update on severe tropical cyclone Waianu Category 3. Here's our main stories for tonight. We will be looking at severe tropical cyclone Waianu Category 3, its current condition and also the forecast for this tropical cyclone. And also we're expecting this tropical cyclone to bring cloudy condition, occasional rain, possible heavy falls at times with isolated thunderstorm for most part of Tonga within the next 12 to 48 hours. Not only that, we're expecting this tropical cyclone to bring gale force wind, heavy damaging swell for the southern waters of Tonga and Tokelau, and including Tongatapu and Ewa in the next 12 to 48 hours. But taking a look at our satellite imagery for today, we can clearly see from the satellite imagery the severe tropical cyclone Waianu Category 3 located to the west of Fiji. We're seeing this system currently located to the west of Fiji within latitude 17.9 south or longitude 174.8 east. The distance of this tropical cyclone center to shore of Fiji is about 385 kilometers or 1,115 kilometers for Tongatapu Ewa or 1,145 kilometers from Ewa, which is still quite far from our land areas, but we're seeing this system approaching Tonga and Tokelau coastal waters. This system is expected to move southeast at a speed of 8 knots. But looking at our island division for today, we see most of our island was cloud-free, mostly cloudy today, and these are just high clouds from the tropical cyclone. There were some isolated showers over some places, but was mainly fine today. Taking a look at the forecast track map for this tropical cyclone, we're expecting this tropical cyclone to move southeast within the next 12 hours as a Category 3 system before approaching Tonga and Tokelau and enter our areas of responsibility within the next 48 hours as a Category 3 system before slight possibility of weakening to a Category 2 system before moving further south to away and exit our areas of responsibility in the next 72 hours. In terms of our warnings, here are our warnings that remains in force. Our gale force wind, heavy damaging swell remains in force for Tonga and Tokelau coastal waters. And also strong wind warning remains in force for Tongatapu and Ewa coastal waters. Small craft advisory remains in force for Tongatapu, Ewa, Tonga and Tokelau coastal waters. But taking a look at the next 5 days across the region, this tropical cyclone Waianu Category 3 will move into our areas of responsibility toward Tonga and Tokelau coastal waters as we move toward the end of this week. And we'll continue to move southeast and away to the south, bringing this heavy rain band to affect all of Tonga for Thursday and also Friday this week. But here's the forecast from tonight up until tomorrow morning. We're expecting mainly fine for all of Tonga with some cloudy period at times. Also some isolated showers we'll experience over some places, but will be mainly fine for tonight. Minimum temperature for tonight will be around 23 for Tongatapu and Ewa, 25 for Ha'apai, 24 for Wava'u, 26 for the Niuas. And our wind still from the east and the northeast, 15 to 20 knots for most part of Tonga. This is the current wind for all of Tonga and could rise up to 25 knots, especially for Tongatapu and Ewa. And the forecast for tomorrow will be quite similar, but we're seeing fine weather becoming cloudy with occasional rain, also possible heavy falls and also thunderstorms for most part of Tonga, especially for the evening hours of tomorrow. Our maximum temperature for tomorrow will be around 29 to 31 degrees Celsius. And the tide prediction, high tide will be around 11:45 p.m. midnight tonight, and low tide will be around 20 minutes to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Sun and moon sunrise will be at 2 minutes to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonrise will be around 10 minutes to 10 p.m. tonight. Wrapping up the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting first day up until Monday next week. First day we're expecting cloudy with occasional rain, possible heavy falls for Nuku'alofa for first day, becoming fine for Friday and also toward the end of this week. With some showers are expected for Sunday this week. Maximum temperature will be around 29 to 30 degrees. And that will be over tonight. Good night.
Thank you to the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Police make arrests in relation to 2 separate road incidents last week. Tongan students safe as Category 3 Tropical Cyclone Vaianu affects Fiji. And Twinnies brand hand over assistance to families in Papua New Guinea under their This Little Light of Mine project. That's your news package for this Tuesday evening, April 7th. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the Radio and Television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.